A drone filmed epic footage, showing another daring act of a Russian soldier on a motorcycle, with an explosive ending in the positions of Ukrainian troops. The Russian military correspondent shared a short video on October 10, 2024, in which a scout from the Sakhalin Brigade of the 3rd Motorized Rifle Brigade, one of the units of the Eastern Military District, clears a trench position that Zelensky's troops did not want to leave, in a place south of Donetsk. With the call sign, "Team," the warrior, alone on a motorcycle like a fearless ghost rider, breaks into the heavily fortified enemy position and plants an explosive charge there. Artillery fire was fired at the fortified positions of the Ukrainian troops, but the result was far from expected. Another action was taken. Then the Sakhalin warrior, carrying a 30-kilogram explosive in his backpack, approached the resting place of the Ukrainian troops, who were in their dugouts after heavy fire. He left a package and returned safely, leaving a huge explosion at the last minute, destroying the enemy position, the military correspondent reports. The soldier was a big risk-taker, knowing he could die at any moment, and that's what made the Russian soldier different, in a real combat zone.